We got to understand that many things that we do as individuals, I mean, talking about us Africans now, we've got to prove them by science. We've got to prove them by science. Look at the problems we have on our continent. We've got to use scientific method to solve our problems. If, for example, look at what is going on our continent right now, like, okay, Africa. We've said it over and over again. Okay, we observe that, okay, we're having so much problems on our continent, say leadership problems. All right, we observe that, okay, almost all the African countries, there's just leadership problem on the continent, all over. Okay, apart from the few ones that are not doing well, that took, power by force, because then those ones, they saw that they were not doing well. Okay, so majority have leadership problems. Most of all this democracy, government in Africa. Now, that's an observation. You observe that, okay, we have a leadership problem in Africa. Okay, now we move to the next phase. Question: why do we have leadership problem in Africa? You see, solving our problem scientifically. Why do you have leadership problem? Question. So then we begin to hypothesize. Okay, what could be? Let's do some educational guess. Okay, maybe could it be because of the backdrop of slavery? Okay, that could be a good reason. Okay, could it be because also like we have many greedy politicians? The people that become leaders, they are among us. So the leaders are the reflection of the people. It's not going to mean like maybe the people that became leader outside the masses, they are among them. So which means there's high tendency that even if we take that one out and bring another one there, that one will also be corrupt as well. So most likely it's like, yeah, it's a picture of what is going on in the society. Okay, so which means the system has a problem. Okay. So what could be other reasons? Okay, could it be like maybe so there's some external forces that are controlling things, that are that are just engineering things from outside, and then we don't know what they are doing, all those things. Okay, could it be? Okay, now we put down different things that could be the reason. We hypothesize. Okay, after our hypothesis, then we go to experiments. Then we start collecting data, because that is very important. Everything we do must be backed by facts and evidence. So now, okay, with our experiment now, okay, we are going to collect data. Now we began to realize that, okay, with our data that we collected, we now find that, okay,